Hello and welcome to another episode of Mixology Monday. Today we're making a super easy quickie for you. We're doing a watermelon basil spritzer. Yep. Got Jake here. I'm Robbie. We're gonna make the drink for you. You're gonna need the following ingredients to make this cocktail. You're gonna need our Basil Carolina Rum. Super awesome, unique spirit, one of a kind, our first export. It is just an awesome rum. Definitely recommend trying it out. So you're gonna use the basil rum and watermelon juice. We got this at Walmart today. I guess you can make watermelon juice. Yeah, or buy it at the store. You're also going to need club soda for this cocktail. So, Jake, what's step one?
Let's do 2 ounces of basil rum to start off with.
All right, 2 ounces of basil rum in each glass. This is a nice on-the-go summer drink, in my opinion. There you go, 2 ounces of basil rum.
And we're gonna do 3 ounces of the watermelon juice into each glass.
Love the color.
Yeah.
Love the smell.
The summertime smell.
Makes me think of these watermelon jello shots.
I wonder if that's where the inspiration came from.
Yeah, stay tuned. We're gonna put the watermelon jello shots on our Mixology channel. They are the best watermelon jello shot you can possibly make.
Oh yeah.
So he's got the watermelon in there.
Yep.
Last step.
I'm just gonna top with soda water. Get you a nice sparkly effect.
Stir it.
Go ahead. If I left you enough room.
Last step is to stir this thing up and start getting after it. All right, folks, there you have it. There's our Basil Watermelon Spritzer. It's super easy drink, goes down really well in the summertime. Not overwhelmingly sweet. It's just a hint of flavor in there to enjoy. Not overly sugary either. The recipe will be in the description below. Check out our Mixology channel for other cocktails you can make using all of our amazing rums. When you're looking to make rum cocktails, this is the channel for you. Like and subscribe, and check out our social media links in the description below. Check out our distillery. You can come out here for tours. We do them every Saturday. Jake's tour guide, I'm a tour guide. And check us out in your local liquor store. Cheers, folks. Happy summer.